Music speaks to the soul. It transcends words. Its melodies and rhythms have a unique ability to touch our hearts. Music can calm a restless mind. It can lift the spirits. It can be a source of comfort and joy. Think of the power of a lullaby. It soothes a child to sleep, or the energy of a joyful dance tune. It makes us want to move. Music is a universal language. It has the power to unite us all. In a world filled with noise and chaos, music offers a sanctuary. It is a reminder of the beauty that still exists. It is a source of peace and tranquility. Peaceful music has a profound impact on our mental well-being. It can lower our heart rate and blood pressure. It can reduce stress and anxiety. It can even help us sleep better. Certain types of music are particularly calming. These include classical music, nature sounds, and ambient music. These genres often feature slow tempos, simple melodies, and minimal percussion. The absence of jarring or abrupt sounds creates a sense of flow and ease. This allows the mind to relax and let go of tension. Peaceful music creates a space for inner peace and tranquility. Our minds are often filled with thoughts. They race from one thing to another. This constant mental chatter can be exhausting. It can lead to stress, anxiety, and insomnia. Calm music can help to quiet the mind. The gentle melodies and rhythms create a soothing backdrop. This allows our thoughts to slow down and become less intrusive. As we listen, our focus shifts from our thoughts to the music itself. This break in the cycle of overthinking brings a sense of relief. It allows us to experience a moment of stillness and peace. Anxiety is a common experience. It can manifest as worry, fear, or unease. In moments of anxiety, music can be a powerful tool. Calming music helps to regulate our emotions. It soothes the nervous system and promotes a sense of relaxation. The predictability of rhythm and melody can be especially grounding during times of stress. Listening to calming music is a simple yet effective way to manage anxiety. It offers a moment of respite from the intensity of our emotions. It allows us to reconnect with a sense of inner peace. Section 5. A personal melody. My journey with music and peace. Music has always been a source of peace in my own life. From the moment I first heard a melody, I felt an inexplicable connection. It was as if the notes spoke directly to my soul, offering comfort and understanding in a way words never could. I remember listening to classical music as a child. Those early experiences were magical. The symphonies and sonatas seemed to paint vivid pictures in my mind, transporting me to places I had never been, yet felt intimately familiar. It transported me to another world, a world where anything was possible, where dreams took flight on the wings of melodies, and where every note was a step on a journey of discovery, a world of beauty and tranquility. In those moments I found a sanctuary, a place where the chaos of the outside world faded away, leaving only the pure, unadulterated joy of music. As I grew older, music continued to be a companion. It evolved with me, reflecting the changes in my life, my moods, and my experiences. Each song became a chapter in the story of my life, a soundtrack to my memories. It helped me through difficult times. When I faced challenges and hardships, music was there to offer solace. The lyrics and melodies provided a sense of understanding and empathy, reminding me that I was not alone in my struggles. It brought me joy in moments of celebration. Whether it was dancing with friends or simply enjoying a favorite tune, music amplified the happiness and made those moments even more special. Music has been a constant source of solace and inspiration. It has sparked creativity, leading me to explore new ideas and express myself in ways I never thought possible. The act of creating music became a form of therapy, a way to process emotions and experiences. I believe that music has the power to heal. It can mend a broken heart, lift a weary spirit, and bring peace to a troubled mind. The healing power of music is something I have experienced firsthand, and it is a gift I cherish deeply. It can soothe our souls and connect us to something greater than ourselves. Music is a gift. It bridges the gap between the mundane and the divine, offering a glimpse into the beauty and wonder of the universe. It is a reminder of the beauty that surrounds us. In every note, in every melody, There is a story waiting to be told, a feeling waiting to be felt. Music is not just a part of my life, it is the essence of my journey, a personal melody that continues to guide me towards peace and fulfillment. Section 6. Sounds of Serenity. Exploring the world of meditation music. Meditation music is specifically designed for relaxation and mindfulness. It serves as a gentle guide, helping to ease the mind into a state of calm and focus. Whether you're a seasoned meditator or just beginning your journey, the right music can make a significant difference in your practice. It often incorporates nature sounds, binaural beats, and soothing instruments. These elements are carefully chosen to create a harmonious blend that resonates with the listener, promoting a deeper sense of relaxation and inner peace. These elements work together to create a tranquil atmosphere. The combination of sounds can transport you to a serene environment away from the hustle and bustle of daily life, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the present moment. The gentle sounds of nature, such as flowing water or birdsong, can be incredibly calming. These natural sounds have a unique ability to soothe the mind and body, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. They evoke a sense of peace and tranquility. By mimicking the sounds of the natural world, meditation music can create a comforting and familiar environment, making it easier to let go of tension and find inner stillness. Binaural beats, which are created by playing slightly different frequencies in each ear, can help to induce relaxation and focus. This auditory illusion can enhance your meditation experience by promoting a state of deep relaxation and heightened awareness. Instruments like the flute, harp, and piano are often used in meditation music. Their soft, melodic tones can create a soothing backdrop for meditation, helping to quiet the mind and open the heart. Their soft, ethereal tones promote a sense of peace and serenity. The gentle melodies can guide you into a state of deep relaxation, making it easier to connect with your inner self and the present moment. Meditation music can be a valuable tool for anyone seeking to deepen their meditation practice or simply find a moment of calm. By incorporating these soothing sounds into your daily routine, you can create a peaceful sanctuary wherever you are, allowing you to recharge and rejuvenate your mind and spirit. Section 7. The gift of calm music's enduring power over our well-being. In a world that often feels chaotic and overwhelming, music offers a refuge. It is a reminder that peace and tranquility are still within reach. The benefits of listening to relaxing music extend far beyond simple enjoyment. Music has the power to heal, soothe, and inspire. It can quiet our minds, ease our anxieties, and connect us to our inner selves. The gift of calm that music offers is invaluable. It is a gift that keeps on giving. By incorporating relaxing music into our lives, we invite peace and tranquility into our daily routines. We create space for stillness, reflection, and renewal. Section 8. Beyond the Notes. Cultivating Inner Peace through Music and Mindfulness. While music can be a powerful tool for finding calm, it is important to remember that true peace comes from within. Music has the ability to touch our souls, to resonate with our deepest emotions, and to bring a sense of harmony to our lives. However, the journey to inner peace is a personal one, and it requires us to look inward, to explore the depths of our own being. Music can guide us on this journey. It can act as a companion, a gentle guide that leads us through the labyrinth of our thoughts and feelings. The melodies and rhythms can help us navigate the complexities of our inner world, offering a sense of direction and purpose. It can create the space for us to connect with our inner selves. In the quiet moments between the notes, we find the opportunity to reflect, to listen to the whispers of our own heart. This connection with our inner self is where true peace resides. By practicing mindfulness while listening to music, we can deepen our experience of peace. Mindfulness allows us to be fully present, to immerse ourselves in the music without distraction. It helps us to appreciate each note, each pause, and to find tranquility in the experience. We can pay attention to the present moment, noticing the sensations of the music washing over us. The vibrations, the harmonies, and the rhythms can become a focal point for our awareness, grounding us in the here and now. We can observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment, allowing them to come and go like clouds passing by. This practice of non-judgmental awareness helps us to cultivate a sense of inner calm, to let go of stress and anxiety, and to embrace a state of peacefulness. As we cultivate inner peace through music and mindfulness, we carry that sense of tranquility with us into our daily lives. This inner peace becomes a part of who we are, influencing how we interact with the world around us. It helps us to remain centered, to face challenges with grace, and to spread a sense of calm to those we encounter. Section 9. A Tapestry of Tranquility. Embracing music for a more peaceful life. Music is a gift that keeps on giving. It has the power to transform our lives, one note at a time. By embracing the tranquility that music offers, we weave a tapestry of peace in our hearts and minds. Let us continue to explore the world of music. Let us allow its beauty to wash over us. Let us embrace the gift of calm that it offers. In doing so, we create a more peaceful and harmonious world for ourselves and for all beings.